Alright guys, welcome to another class, and in today's tutorial we're going to be looking at more tags in HTML. One of the tags we're going to be looking at is the image tag. How do we add images to our website? So for example, we have a typical website here. We have a website with some basic tags and elements already. So let's quickly run this website and see what it looks like. So we load it, and this is what our website looks like. Now we want to add images to this website. How do we do that? So first of all, you need to be sure that your image, you know the directory where your image is stored. So we need to have our image in a directory or a project folder structure. So that's one. Another way we can add images is by using the URL of the image. That means if we have the image stored somewhere in the internet, we can access that image by getting the URL. So first of all, let's get our image tag. We have about two attributes, at least two attributes in these image tags. We have the src and we have the alt. So the src stands for the source of the image. That is, where am I getting this image from? That's where the src stands. That's what it stands for. Why the alt is like alternate, like to give something there in case the image is not provided, what should be there? So for example, the image is not provided, so we don't have the source of the image. Let me add some text here and say no image no image found. And when I save this, I'm having no image found. It means the image is not there. I'm looking for an image that I've not, so image is not there at all. So I can, let's say the image was apple, I can put something like image of an apple. So when I save, that's what is going to be there because image is not there. To be using Unsplash to get some images. So for example, let's make use of this image. Let's make use of this image. So let's click on it. So this image is by Alona Gross. Alona Gross. Then what I do is I right click on this and I should see copy image link, right? Copy image link. I select that and I go straight to my website. This src where I have here in between, I paste that link there. So you can see the link is very long. So whatsoever is there is none of my business, but I don't want to utter any of those things. If not, I'm going to be having issues. So when I hit save, I can go back to my website and I will see that image there. You can see the image is very big. Image is so big. So one other thing I want to do is, so we can now style this image in our css file. So when I come to my css, remember it's an image tag. I can select the image like this, my img tag, and I will say width. Let me give it a 100% width. When I save it and go back, it's still big, but so I can also reduce the width. I can say 50%, and when I go back, the image is resized. I can also give it height as well. I can give height, but watch what happens. Let's say 50% of height and save. So the height is not really applied. Instead of 50%, let me do 3 rem. Okay. So height can be given as well, but we are going to stick to width for now. So we've successfully added one image to our website. So we use the method getting the image from the internet. So let's say we want an image in our computer. We already have an image in computer that we want to use. So first of all, my image tag, my SRC. So I need to be sure that that image, I know the location of the image in my computer. So one thing I do is to get the image and put it in the folder where my project is, in my projects folder. I'm going to get the image and put it there. So I'll quickly create a folder in the project and I'll call it images. I can call it anything, but I'll call it images because I want to put images in this folder. Then I quickly look for it in my file explorer. So I have my images folder here. Let me go to pictures, right click and open a new window. So let's say I want to take let me take this picture. So drag and put it in. No, I don't want to. Let me copy and paste it inside of here. So I can come to my SRC and do dot slash. It's in images folder. I go to images and then the name of the image is theme.png. The name of the image is what? Theme.png. So I need to be sure that that is the name. If that's not the name, I'm going to have a problem. So let me have my alt here and say Timothy's image. Timothy's image. And then I save. I go back to my website. So you see that I have this image here. So I've been able to add image from the internet and also from my computer. So I have image from the internet and I have image from my computer. So let's go back and see. So let's say I have an issue here. The G is not there. And let's save and see what happened. So you can see that Timothy's image is showing there because the image is not provided. So I'm having, when you have a broken link in your image, so the alternate or the alternative text that you've put out there is what will be displayed to the user. So in this case, Timothy's image is what I have in my alt, and that's what is being displayed right here. So let me put back my image, save it. So you see that that text is no longer there. So that's all about images for now. In the future, we're going to look at more contents, more how to customize our image to add size, width, fit, so many things in the image. So let's just practice this a little bit, and in the next class, I'm going to show you layout, CSS layout. Thank you.